when you often work with an agency, what happens is that team members are not as passionate as the founder. But I think that is not the case with Accept. Everyone takes their job very seriously and passionately, and which definitely, I mean, you have a pleasurable experience working with them. Akash Agrawal, I'm the founder of K2 Calisthenics. K2 Calisthenics is a fitness center, outdoor fitness center. We believe fitness should be for everyone. पहली एजेंसी ही डेक्सेप्ट थी, एक्सेप्ट ने ही ब्रांड बनाया हमें. चैलेंज की तो कोई बात ही नहीं आती. डेक्सेप्ट का स्ट्रेटेजाइजिंग आप देख लो या डेक्सेप्ट का एग्जीक्यूशन आप देख लो. ओवरऑल knowledge related to digital marketing is commendable. I mean, they have a beautiful team and the talented people over there. हर चीज के लिए managers assigned थे, roles defined थे, तो we knew whom to ask, what to ask. साइट में सबसे बेस्ट चीज ये है कि आज के दिन में अगर आप कैलिस्थेनिक्स सर्च करते हो एटलीस्ट सूरत में, तो SEO इतना अच्छा है कि फर्स्ट इज K2 Calisthenics. ये एक कैंपेन से आप ब्रांड नहीं करते. It is a cumulative of all the campaigns. As I said earlier, strategizing जो होता है वो step by step process है. It is puzzle, a bigger picture puzzle. तो आप धीरे धीरे सब पजल जोड़ते जाते हो. तो कोई ऐसा मैं पर्टिकुलर कैंपेन नहीं बोलूँगा, बट यस द होलिस्टिक अप्रोच कि जहाँ पे आपको अवेयरनेस भी क्रिएट करनी है, आपको ब्रांड भी क्रिएट करनी है, आपको ट्रायल्स भी प्रमोट करने हैं. तो व्हेन यू डू एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, आई थिंक इट वर्क्स ब्यूटीफुली एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट rather than an individual campaign. Their performance marketing regarding lead generation is amazing. Not just that, performance marketing एक बार जब आप start करते हो तो उसको बार बार optimize करना पड़ता है. And I think their team is head on that. They ask for call recordings and वो call recordings के हिसाब से जो leads आई हैं वो लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं उस हिसाब से वो लोग leads को optimize करते हैं. तो I think that helped us a lot in getting the leads and we had a really good conversion rate in regarding leads. Events में जैसे कि हमने conceptualize किया था एक flea में जाके hanging bar challenge था. I think that was a great event जहाँ पे लोगों को हम 100 seconds के लिए hanging bar challenge and we would give them prize money if they were able to do that in a flea. So that I think here really helped in awareness of brand. Also we did something called FitFab. FitFab में it was a 21-day weight loss challenge. Again amazing response. Media coverage, PR activity से SEO बहुत अच्छा हुआ, which in turn created organic visits to our website and which in turn created. So yes, PR helps in creating an overall brand trust, I would say, amongst the customers. The team of Accept is something I enjoyed working with because I think it is a hand-picked team of great talented individuals. But everyone in the team is passionate. They make brands. Marketing is a long-term journey and it is as good as breathing. मतलब आप सांस ले रहे हो वैसे आप marketing कर रहे हो, तो marketing रोक नहीं सकते आप. Marketing you have to think of long term and yes, I would definitely recommend Accept क्योंकि मैं खुद काम कर रहा हूँ तो recommendation की क्या बात है. Future goals, yes, pan India brand बनना है. हर जगह पे different locations पे we want to start calisthenics. We want to make it as big as gym, if not bigger. We want to tell people that there is not just one way to fitness. There are multiple ways to fitness, may it be ours or anything. As per our research, only 1 to 3% of people are into fitness, a regular fitness. So 97% of the people are still not taking this thing regularly even after COVID. So yes, and I would expect Accept to help us do that in terms of becoming a national brand, not just a local brand.